Hey everyone, welcome to Mrs. Rogers Quick Kitchen Tips. Now today I am going to share with you a really quick way to decorate a cake, so stay tuned. Now all you need is a cookie cutter and some Mrs. Rogers sprinkles. It is so easy to decorate a cake really fast that even if you've bought the cake from store or made a packet cake or made the cake from scratch, as long as you've got icing on the top for the sprinkles to stick to, you will be fine. So let me show you quickly. I've got some really cute little butterfly cookie cutters here, and I'm going to rest it on the heavier side just because I don't want to indent my cake too much. If you've got really fluffy icing or you're using a buttercream, you could always pop it in the freezer for a few minutes just to seal that and not make it so sticky so that your cookie cutter doesn't sink in. And you just want to sprinkle enough sprinkles in there, and even your kids could help you do this, to cover. Now I am just very gently going to push down really hard, just so that I can feel those going into the icing, and the magic appears. Voila! So you can keep going, you can sprinkle, you could even put some sprinkles on your hand and pat it on the side of the cake, and you will have a really great looking cake. Thanks for watching everyone, see ya!